Today we are discussing the scenario-based interview questions for network administrator engineers. These are scenario-based complex interview questions. You can download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. Now moving towards the scenario based on the network troubleshooting. The scenario is you receive a complaint from a user in the sales department about intermittent connectivity issues. The user reports that sometimes they can access resources on the local network, but other times they experience slow or no connectivity. Your task is to identify and resolve the issue. Being a CCNA network administrator, what solution you will select? Now our solution is first, gather information. By gathering information about the issue, ask the user for specific details on when the problem occurs and which resources are affected. Check if other users in the sales department are experiencing similar issues. Second solution will be verify physical connections. Ensure that the user's device is properly connected to the network. Check cables, connectors, and any intermediary network devices, that is, switches or routers. Third solution is check network configuration. Examine the network configuration on the user's device. Verify IP addresses, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS settings. Use commands like ipconfig within bracket Windows or ipconfig within bracket Linux to gather this information. Our fourth solution is review switch logs. Access the switch serving the sales department and review its logs for any errors or anomalies. Use commands like show interface status and show interface within bracket interface on Cisco switches to inspect port status and errors. Our fifth solution is inspect network traffic. Utilize network monitoring tools to inspect network traffic. Look for patterns of increased traffic or network congestion during reported issues. Tools like Wireshark can help analyze packets for anomalies. Sixth solution is check for broadcast storms. Investigate the network for potential broadcast storms. These can cause network congestion and connectivity issues. Monitor switch ports for usually high broadcast or multicast traffic. Seventh solution is verify DHCP configuration. If the user is obtaining an IP address dynamically, check the DHCP configuration. Ensure there are enough available IP addresses in the pool and that lease times are appropriate. Check for rogue DHCP servers on the network. Its solution is update network device firmware. Ensure that the firmware on network devices, especially switches and routers, is up to date. Firmware updates may address known issues. And follow the vendor's recommendations for updating firmware. Ninth solution is implement QoS policies. If the network experiences congestion Implement quality of service QoS policies to prioritize critical traffic. Configure QoS settings on routers and switches to give priority to voice and critical data. And our 10th solution is document and report. Document all steps taken and changes made during the troubleshooting process. If the issue is resolved, communicate the solution to the user and document the resolution. This comprehensive approach involves both physical and logical troubleshooting steps to identify and resolve intermittent connectivity issues in a complex network environment. If you are preparing for any CCNA based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the list provided in the description. Also, you can download the complete list of scenario based questions from the link provided in the description. For more videos, stay tuned with us.